Hey guys, today we have another great product to review. We have a Bluetooth FM transmitter.
Bluetooth FM transmitter. Alright, Annalisa. Model number T70. Car MP3 player. Go ahead and open that. One of the main functions of this is to hands-free phone calls. Play your cell phone through your car's radio. If you have an older car that does not have that function. So here it is, Annalisa. I think you get it upside down. Alright. This tiny device fits into your car's DC socket. And we have a couple of USB ports. Looks like a Type-C connector right there. But what we really need to do is look at the instructions, some of the features. This has a port for fast charge, PD and QC 3.0, 9 light color modes, that's cool, a rainbow effect. Activate phone voice control like Siri, Bixby, Google Assistant, etc. Then you can transmit the music navigation of your Bluetooth enabled phone to car stereo. And so you can play music from your phone through your car radio with this device. And it's a hands-free calls. That's what I'm going to use it for. Alright, and then you can transmit music from U-Disc up to 32 gigs. Play lossless music from the U-Disc. Display car battery voltage while plugged in car charger port. And this complies with the FCC requirements. Alright, let's go ahead, Annalisa, and look at the instructions, and we'll go out to the car. Okay, I'm looking at the instructions, and up here you have your FM display. You have a U port right here, this USB connection. And right below that is a QC3 quick filling port. And the PD port. This looks like it would fit a Type-C plug, and you have your multi-function button. Your microphone is right there, and this is your FM display, and it's also your voltage display. Over here on the side you have your light switch. I guess you can change the modes from right there. And so we're going to take it out to the car now and see if we can demonstrate it. Okay, so we are out here at the car. And Lisa, go ahead and plug the Bluetooth FM transmitter into the DC socket. And right away, oh cool. And show the different light functions on the right. You will see a mode button to the very right of the on the side. Alright, so that's blue. Go through some of the different colors. That green or yellow?
Yellow.
Yellow. Ooh, I like purple. It's kind of a teal color. That's pretty cool too.
It's like a white with like pink.
Uh-huh. There you go. There's a rainbow color. Okay, we're going to go ahead and pair the transmitter to my phone.
Bluetooth is connected.
So just like that, we are connected, and we have a blank station chosen, 89.7, I believe nothing is there. And we set our radio to 89.7 also. So now what we need to do is play something from our phone. And what we're going to do is go to Annalisa's YouTube channel. There's an icon there in the bottom. Alright. And our Chinese restaurant video. That has music. It's non-copyrighted.
Your garage is open.
It's alright. Hold the phone right here so we can see it. So that's the audio from my cell phone playing through the speakers of the car's radio. It's one of our recent videos, and I knew there was a music track, so we won't get copyrighted. So the audio is crisp and clear, and so the Bluetooth from the phone is paired with the FM Bluetooth transmitter. It's playing through the FM station that we've chosen. We knew there was a blank station at 89.7. So yeah, so that's just a demonstration of playing music from your phone or MP3 player. So now what I want to do is have Annalisa go in the house and make a phone call, and I will accept the phone call and talk to her through the Bluetooth FM transmitter.
Hello.
Hello, Annalisa, can you hear me?
Hi. Yeah. Hello.
All right. Talk to me. Let's test this out.
Hi. Hello.
All right.
Oh.
It's playing through the car's stereo, and I've got my phone here. So this is an example of what it sounds like. So this is great. You're driving down the road, and someone gives you a call. So Annalisa, how you doing today?
Good. How are you?
I'm doing just fine. I'm driving with my hands on the wheel. I don't have to hold the cell phone. So do you have any homework today?
Sunday.
All right, so there you have it. That's just a brief demonstration of our Bluetooth transmitter. We'll put a link in the description below where you may purchase this on Amazon.
Thanks guys for watching. Bye.
Thanks for watching.